Hello everybody to another video by your handyman Leatherman. Today doing a quick video on rotor removal. This is my Nissan NV 3500. If you have a Titan or an NV of any kind, the 1500, 2500 and the 3500 like I have, removing the rear rotor after it has a considerable amount of miles, like I have 150, seems to be a challenge. So here's a quick video of how I got it off. I want you to know that as soon as I start filming, this side would be hard. The other side came right off. There we go, see that? Just had to whack it 2 or 3 times that the spring inside was just demolished. See, these are the same as Titans. Inside drums for the emergency brake get bound up. You can see all the oil, all the penetrating oil I put in there. So, yay, we get to take these to get resurfaced. And they're going to return them for me. I'm going to put some new brake drums. But that's going to be tomorrow. So as you can see, using a sledgehammer like I did, or a good sized weighted metal hammer with good solid wax, make sure you keep it flat and hit it on one side like you saw. Don't wow into it like I did and damaged one of my rotors. If I would have realized how simple it really was, I would have not damaged anything and I had to buy another rotor. But if you'd like to see more of this video, click the link below. Is the full video of me working on my NV 3500. And you can see every step of it, from replacing the rear emergency brakes and the actual brakes on the caliper. So I hope this quick video helps you. I wish I would have had a video like this with the stress that I went through trying to remove those stupid rear rotors, because the guys at the auto parts said, oh yeah, they'll pull right off. They didn't. But anyways, I hope this helps you, and enjoy your beautiful day and stay out of trouble. Alright, now I gotta start another project. Gotta work on that storage building. Need some more coffee.